County School District is so proud to add 6 more schools to our Cognia certification. This makes all of our 7 MedTech 7 schools Cognia certified. This is a true testament to the hard work of the staff, the students, administration, and the community in partnering with our schools.
Our Cognia STEM journey has been a long one over a couple of years, and the work that our students put in and their dedication and the teachers and their dedication, it means a lot to the school and community, and we are so happy to add the Cognia STEM accreditation to our Warrior Nation brand.
As our world continues to grow in STEM, we have to continue to meet those needs, and so the more we can bring to our kids to provide them those opportunities and a jump start to life, that's what we're going to do.
So let's unfurl this.
At Beaufort Middle School, we focus on our 3 rocks, which is relationships, rigor, and accountability. STEM brings that all to life. So our students are able to have hands-on experiences in the classroom through STEM and using that design model, which brings all of our standards to life and makes the learning more meaningful to our students here at Beaufort Middle.
So this year at Beaufort Middle School, we had the opportunity to become Triple Crown certified, with our Cognia STEM certification being one of those areas. And we have found through that opportunity that a lot of the instructional practices that we have learned are just what's best for kids. And we have integrated those programs and initiatives and our instructional strategies throughout all of our classes here at Beaufort Middle School so that we can continue to elevate everyone every day.
It's here at Wilbridge.
Future careers now depend on STEAM, and so we want to start building those soft skills and hard skills into kids, as well as inspiring curiosity in them. So this was why this work was critically important, and so they get to experience that in our Z-Space lab, where they work with technology, and our STEM lab, where they build and create and think and communicate. And then they also have experience with our loop, where they get to do interactive game and playing, keeping them active but still learning at the same time. And then the whole integration of the curriculum.
We're super excited to be recognized by Cognia. It's truly an honor to be able to showcase many of the programs here at Beaufort High School that both students and teachers, along with parents and community members, collaborate together to foster the skills of critical thinking with our students and just prepare them to be innovative learners for the careers and professions in their post-secondary endeavors.
And we're here at Mossy Oaks Elementary to celebrate.
We are so excited here at Mossy Oaks to get the Cognia certification. Our teachers and staff and students have worked so hard. They were able to use hands-on experiments and experiences to really bring science alive.
This has been a 6 or 7 year process, so it's not just the students that we've had most recently. We've been working on this for many years, and I'm very proud of the students here at the school. They have really enjoyed the activities that we've done as part of this process certification. I feel like they've learned a lot, and they're already mentioning ways that they want to go further with what we've done.
STEM accreditation at Mossy Oaks is a big deal. The kids have worked their tails off for this, but honestly, the growth that I have seen since we have implemented subject integration and hands-on activities has been enormous. This is a really cool opportunity, and I think it's really important that we recognize the absolute hard work that the students put into this.
I think the STEM certification encapsulates all the hard work that we do in our classes, providing real-world experiences where students get to explore and learn about different STEM opportunities and put those things into practice.
All yours.